Mayo. Today, in honor of Cinco de Mayo, we are going to make a classic Mexican coffee. This recipe can be found in our ebooks. If you go to the LifeBoost coffee store and search our ebooks, it's called the Coffee Cocktail Recipe Guide, and it'll be listed in there, of course, with many other very good, yummy, delicious cocktail recipes that include LifeBoost coffee. This one, super simple. We're gonna have 6 ounces of strong brewed coffee. I'm using a dark roast. I love our dark roast. We're going to take a 1/2 ounce of Kahlua, which also in the ebooks you can find a recipe for homemade Kahlua, which is what I'm using. And that's super simple to make too. Coffee, cane sugar, and rum are the ingredients for that Kahlua, and it makes a ton, and you can use it for many of the coffee cocktails in our ebook. And then you're also, so that's just a 1/2 ounce of the Kahlua, and then a 1/2 ounce of course, tequila. Hello. And we're gonna add that to our strong brewed coffee here in a minute. And then the kicker, the signature ingredient here that makes this so lovely is 1/4 cup of melted vanilla ice cream. Yum. So all we're gonna do is just mix these ingredients. So we have our coffee here. We're gonna go ahead and mix in our 1/2 ounce of Kahlua and 1/2 ounce of tequila. And then mix in that melted ice cream. Isn't that beautiful? Get a little mixed. And boom, you have your coffee, you have your Kahlua, and you have your tequila to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. And it is so good, especially with that melted vanilla ice cream. So, as usual, if you try this recipe, let us know, and let us know how you celebrate Cinco de Mayo.